So we now have a plethora of fresh details on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and Tab S9 Ultra. Starting with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the color choices available. The Z Fold 5 will be available in 3 color options, according to display expert Ross Young: beige, black, and a pale blue color scheme. He also claims that there will be some custom hues available, as well as Samsung exclusive color choices available only on Samsung's website. He also unveiled the 5 hues of the Z Flip, which are beige, gray, light green, and light pink. Moving on, the South Korean newspaper ET News has published a story on the Z Fold 5's weight. Previously, it was speculated that the Z Fold 5 would lack an incorporated S Pen spot, owing to Samsung's desire to reduce the phone's weight. According to reports, the weight of the latest version being tested by Samsung is 254 grams, which is 9 grams less than the Z Fold 4. According to ET News, Samsung intends to take this weight cutting even further, reducing the weight of the Z Fold 5 to just 250 grams, a huge 13 grams lighter than its forerunner. This is even more amazing when you consider that the iPhone 14 Pro Max weighs 240 grams, putting the Z Fold 5 in the same range as normal slab phones, which is incredible given the size and components that go inside the folding phones. So far, it appears that the Z Fold 5 has handled 3 major concerns about folding phones: weight, width, and wrinkle. The top display on the Z Flip 5 is next. We recently learned that it will have a Windows folder-shaped top display rather than the standard square display, and Sam Mobile has confirmed this via their sources. The top display on the Z Flip 5 will appear like this and measure 3.4 inch horizontally. Ice Universe has unveiled the specs for the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which will be released alongside the Z Fold 5. The tablet's measurements stay unchanged from last year, including the display size and resolution, battery size, and other features. Aside from the processor and the IP68 water resistance certification, I don't see anything novel here. However, Ice Universe claims that Samsung has significantly enhanced the display this time around. According to him, it will have a 120% DCI-P3 display. Simply stated, DCI-P3 is a broader color standard than sRGB, as shown in the image, and the benefit of this over normal sRGB display is that it displays 25% more hues. As a result, games and HDR material appear much superior on this display. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.